Now let's look at another popular method called Kanban. Now let's look at the Kanban method. Essentially, Kanban method as developed by the Lean Kanban University, it's a catalyst for improvement throughout the organization. It uses its values. 9 values Kanban has. It uses its principles, change management principles, service delivery principles. And also scaling principles. When you are scaling the use of Kanban across the enterprise, you will use scaling principles too. Kanban has 6 general practices and Kanban systems. Kanban systems are flow-based systems by default. They can be used as iterative systems too if you are combining them with Scrum and other iterative and incremental models. Kanban has agendas too. We'll detail Kanban general practices now.